Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and you are preparing pretty well for the DBT-JRF examination. So this is the day 18 of the free BET crash course in which I am going to cover some of the important concepts that are most of the time repeated in every exam, that is CSIR, GATE as well as DBT. So we will discuss the important concept of biochemistry portion, and I have included some of the important summary as well as the important tables from the biochemistry standard books. So you can check it out, and please hit the like button if you like my efforts and hit the subscribe button if you want more from this channel. So I have already published that video regarding the most repeated topic from the biochemistry section. I will provide the link of that video in the description box as well as in the I button. So you can watch that video from that description box link and from the I button also. So day 18 video comprises of the important topic that are most frequently repeated from the biochemistry section. So go and watch that video and please practice it a lot to score more in the DBT-JRF examination. Thank you so much for watching.